formal name of the law firm is Rosenbaum, Familaro, and Siegel. And this is going to be the Familaro Hour, okay? It's actually going to be 1 minute or less, but it's not about Anthony Familaro. It's about his killer paralegal brother, Vincent Familaro. And Vince does the heavy lifting in the firm. He is basically the leader of our escalation team. When we cannot figure out what's going on, when it's taking if it's taking longer than we'd like, we give that case to Vin, and he does a tremendous job. So here are just some of the victories that Vincenzo had this week. Vin won a case on the very first try, the very first plan of action, when he was accused of selling inauthentic products by just having great invoices directly from the manufacturer. Not a distributor, not a wholesaler, but from the manufacturer itself. Great job, Vin. Also, Vin used the inventory review program that Amazon has recently initiated. If you don't know about it, go to our website right here and go to our blog and put Amazon's inventory review, where you can ask for Amazon to send someone to check your inventory. Well, Vincenzo did it. Amazon staff checked the inventory. It was 1,000% genuine, and the seller was reinstated. Killer job, Vincenzo. If you want to learn more about how Vin and the rest of our awesome team wins reinstatements 7 days a week, go to our blog, go to our YouTube channel, and if you haven't done so already, please make sure you've subscribed to our YouTube channel. This way you will get a notification for each and every video that we produce with the information that you need to continue to thrive on Amazon.com.